Okay, everybody. Just wanted to give you a little sneaky peek. I got a little carried away with the cover. I remembered the one scene with the winged keys and the door and the wall and everything, so I did some brick wall work here. Yeah, but anyway, I want you guys to see the inside. I'm whispering because it's really late at night and, you know, I don't want to wake everybody up. So, you ready? Here it is. Bam. Do you guys remember that scene in the movie? I do. So there is my winged keys. And my brick wall. Let's see this thing. Oh, focus. There we go. Here you go, peeps. There it is. Happy wizarding, everybody.